Hi students, now we are going to learn the components of the nervous system. Introduction. One of the characteristic features of all living organisms is responding to stimuli. Stimuli refers to the changes in the environmental condition that are detected by receptors present in the body. Living organisms show their response to different kinds of stimuli like light, heat, cold, sound, smell, taste, touch, pressure, pain, or the force of gravity, etc. For example, withdrawal of hand when we touch hot objects or closing the eyes when flashed with bright light. In this condition, heat or light is the stimulus to which the body shows its response. To provide the correct response to a stimulus, it is necessary that all the organs work together in a proper coordinated manner. This working together of various organs in a systemic, controlled and efficient way to produce proper response to various stimuli is called coordination. In animals, including human, the coordination between the various cells and organs is essential for their diverse activities to maintain physiological balance called homeostasis. In this unit, we shall learn about one of the major regulatory systems, the nervous system and its control over the body activities. The nervous system is made up of nervous tissue. It is formed of three distinct components, namely the neurons, neuroglia, and nerve fibers. Neuron or nerve cell. A neuron or nerve cell is the structural and functional unit of the nervous system. It is the longest cell of the human body. Information is conducted through neurons in the form of electrical impulses from one part of the body to another. Second one, neuroglia. Neuroglia are also called as glial cells. They are non-exciting supporting cell of the nervous system. They do not initiate or conduct nerve impulses. Third one, nerve fibers. The nerve fibers are the long slender process of neurons. A number of nerve fibers are bundled up together to form nerves. Structure of neuron. A neuron consists of three basic parts: cyton, dendrites, and axon. Cyton. It has a central nucleus with abundant cytoplasm called neuroplasm. It has a large granular body, the Nissls granules. Other cell organelles like mitochondria, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, and lysosomes are present. Neurons do not have the ability to divide. Several neurofibrils in the cytoplasm help in transmission of nerve impulses to and from the cell body. Dendrites. There are numerous branched cytoplasmic processes from the surface of the cell body conduct nerve impulses towards cyton. Increases the surface area to receive signals. Axon. It's a single elongated slender projection. They terminate as fine branches which in turn terminate into knob-like swellings, the synaptic knob. The plasma membrane of axon is axolemma and the cytoplasm is axoplasm. The protective sheet around is the myelin sheath. It is further covered by a layer of Schwann cells, the neurilemma. Myelin sheath breaks at intervals by depression called nodes of Ranvier. It acts as insulator and ensures rapid transmission of nerve impulses. It carries impulses away from the cyton. Synapse. The junction between synaptic knob of axon of one neuron and dendron of next neuron is called synaptic junction. Synaptic knob releases neurotransmitter during transfer of information. Types of neurons. The neurons may be of different types based on their structure and functions. Structurally, the neurons may be of the following types: unipolar neurons, bipolar neurons, multipolar neurons. Unipolar neurons. Only one nerve process arises from the cyton, which acts as both axon and dendron. Bipolar neurons. The cyton gives rise to two nerve processes, of which one acts as an axon while another as a dendron. Multipolar neurons. The cyton gives rise to many dendrons and an axon. Unipolar neurons are found in early embryos but not in adult. Bipolar neurons are found in retina of eye and olfactory epithelium of nasal chambers. Multipolar neurons are found in cerebral cortex of brain. On the basis of functions, neurons are categorized as sensory or efferent neurons, which carry impulses from the sense organ to the central nervous system. Motor or efferent neurons, which carry impulses from the central nervous system to effector organs such as the muscle fiber or the gland. Association neurons conduct impulses between sensory and motor neurons. Transmission of nerve impulse. Receptors located in our sense organs such as eyes, the nose, skin, etc. detect all the information from the environment. It is transmitted as electrical impulse and is received by the dendritic tips of the neuron. Next, it travels from the dendrite to the cell body and then along the axon to its terminal end. In the nerve endings, it causes it to release a chemical, the neurotransmitter. It diffuses across a synapse and starts a similar electrical impulse in the dendrites of the next neuron, then to the cell body and to the axon. In this way, the electrical signal reaches the brain and spinal cord. The response from brain or spinal cord is similarly pass on to the effector organs such as muscle or gland cell through the motor neuron. The effector organ undergoes the desired response. The flow of impulse from axonal end of one neuron to dendrite of another neuron through a synapse is called synaptic transmission. Neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters are the chemicals which allow the transmission of nerve impulse from the axon terminal of one neuron to the dendron of another neuron or to an effector organ. The important neurotransmitter released by neurons is called acetylcholine.